Hey guys, Sam here with Lady Hike, and this is Arrow the Sparrow. We've been raising a baby bird. He may fly off during this video, I'm not sure. He's like a fledgling now, so he's really testing out his wings and trying to fly. But I want to show you today in this video how to make hand feeding food for a baby bird. So what I have here is we've already made the food, and we've already cut it into little bitty squares, and we're going to freeze it. So I'm just going to go over it. It's a really simple 5-ingredient thing. You probably have most of the things, I don't really want you to fly right now, most of the things in your kitchen. So first of all, you're just going to start off with some cat food. This is just a high blend of cat food. It has chicken as the first ingredient, and you're going to want to soak this. I pour like boiling water over it, and I let it soak till it's just really mushy. So you're going to use 1 cup of cat food, and you'll use like 3/4 of dry cat food that'll turn into 1 cup. And then you're going to boil an egg, and you're going to grind that into small pieces. And then you're going to take a calcium tablet and you're going to grind it up. And the recipe calls for about 650 milligrams. I used a 600 milligram. Come here, honey. So that's good. Let me see if he'll get on my shoulder for right now. Okay. He's like, I want to stay on here. Just right there. Okay, you can stay right there. Do you want to stand? And then we just have 1/4 cup of our, he just wants to stay on my hand, 1/4 cup of our homemade applesauce. So those are 4 things. The 5th ingredient is avian vitamins, and I didn't get that. We feed him a ton of bugs and berries and fruits and vegetables, so I did not buy the avian vitamins, but that's another thing, and that just says use as directed. So I just used a 4-ingredient recipe. I think the calcium is really great, the applesauce is homemade, and the egg provides a lot of protein. So you're going to mix all that up, and then it's going to be the consistency of oatmeal, just like you see right here. And I just kind of slice it into squares, and then I freeze it, and then I can break off the little squares easily. And then what you're going to do is every morning when you wake up, just get a little bit of food, keep it there, and then you can just feed him all day long as needed. He's going to fly again. So anyways, that's the way that you make hand feeding food for your baby bird that you're raising. And they absolutely love it. Lots of times he will reject different kinds of bugs, but he'll never reject the food. So this is the staple of his diet right now. So anyways, that's the way that you make hand feeding food for a baby bird. And thanks so much for watching.